Hi, this is Farz and welcome back to another 2-minute Photoshop tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to color correct automatically in Photoshop with just one click. So let's get started. Okay, now here first create a curves adjustment layer and click on the menu option of the curves panel and select the auto option here. This will bring up the auto color correction option dialog box, and now select the find dark and light colors and check snap neutral mid tones. Okay, I think it's done. It's done. And now you can save this setting as a default. For this, just hit the save as default option. That means from the next time, you just need to open the curves adjustment layer and hit auto to fix the color cast. That's simple. Okay, let's do it. Save as default and hit OK. That's done. Look at this. This was the before and this is after. Maybe I need to increase the brightness here a little bit for a better result. Look at this. This was the before and this is after. It's done. Okay, now let's see how to do it with one click. Okay, let's delete this one, go to the curves adjustment layer again, and hit auto. Look at this, it's done. Here is the before and after. So you just need to save the setting as a default, and after that you can hit the auto and Photoshop will do the rest. So if you love this video, if you did, hit the like button, leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe.